Okay, brushes. I'm going to show you how to create your own brushes and save brushes and export them out using your preset manager. So first thing when you're creating a brush is we'll do a file new and get the dimensions you want. You may want to make it a little bit bigger because you can always resize, but if you start out small you're going to end up with a lower resolution and kind of a fuzzy brush. So background, I'm going to change that to transparent. Click OK. And this will give me my workspace, and then just design your brush. So I'm going to come in here and maybe just grab the text tool on here. This could be kind of something for watermarks or any other given feature that you create. So with the text tool, single click and type in whatever you want this to say. So I'll make that a little bit bigger. And when you're creating your own brush, if you use a dark color, it will show up a little bit fuller. If you use a light color, it will be a little bit more transparent. So in here, I'm just going to choose black for that. Maybe I'll go to the Shapes tool. And you can use pictures for this as well. So if I come in here, I'm going to grab a snowflake really quick, if I can find it. We already passed it. I'll just, let's see, there we go. Okay, so grab a snowflake. So depending on your color, this one's a little bit lighter, so if I bring that in there, so if that's my stamp that I want to create, then I just go ahead and take that and go up to Edit and go to Define Brush Preset, and then right there it'll kind of give you a little example. All your brushes, they don't really have color to them, it's just depending on the brush. So I'll just go ahead and name that, click OK, and let me get out of here. So that brush, if I were to take that brush and go to my brushes, it should be the very bottom one when you create those brushes. So there it is right there. Apply that. Maybe I'll put on a separate layer real quick. Apply that. Let me hide those. And there's my brush that I just created. I could create, depending on my color, I could change that up. So that's how you create a brush. Now a couple of other things you may want to do if you want to now take that and give it to somebody else. If you go into Edit and your Preset Manager, in here you can do all kinds of things. You can select a set of brushes, hold down the Command key or Control on a PC, and you could save just that set and export that out, so it'll give you the extension of this ABR, and then you just have to give it a name. On there, and then just save that, and that'll go out in that spot. So you can also come in here and rename and delete. So this can be a good way to kind of declutter some of your stuff if you've downloaded some brushes you don't like and everything. So saving sets, deleting, renaming, the Preset Manager can help out a lot there.